Sir, will you please state your first and last name and your date of birth?
Aaron Steve Sussex, 10/8/87.
Mr. Kellerman?
George Kellerman from the Maricopa County Attorney's Office. Good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening. Mr. Sussex, you were here today because you were charged with one count of first-degree premeditated murder, a Class 1 felony. I did find probable cause to that offense, and I did appoint an attorney to represent you. You do have a status conference hearing on February 21st at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing on February 25th at 8:30. Mr. Kellerman, do you want to be heard on release conditions and
Yes, Your
anything
Honor.
else?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Sussex has 3 prior felony convictions, an assault of violent history. He was on probation, and he's a prohibited possessor. On the night of February the 12th at approximately 9:20 p.m., he walked towards Mitchell Park in Tempe, Arizona, and he began random firing at a group of 5 individuals that were simply sitting in the park. He was IA'd the other night because he was arrested for the aggravated assault on the other individuals and was given a $500,000 cash bond. Yesterday, one of the individuals died, and so tonight he's being charged with first-degree murder. The state is requesting a $1 million cash bond on the first-degree murder charge. Thank you.
Ruby, hold on a quick second. Before we proceed any further, I do want to address something that was in the state's recommendations that I just wanted to correct. It indicated that the court is reluctant to have information outside of the state's written recommendations. That is not the case. When I ask if there's any additions or corrections, it's to truly ask if there are any additions or corrections to give the state the opportunity to supplement the record if needed, because sometimes there's been other information that has come in after the probable cause statement is prepared. It is never the intention of the court to preclude the state from making its record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Ruby, it's ready now. All right, sorry for that brief pause. The court is ordering a cash-only bond in the amount of $1 million. Given the history of the defendant, the nature of the offense as the court reviewed it in the probable cause statement, and the additional information that was supplemented. If you fail to comply with these release conditions or appear for your court date, any bond posted would be forfeited and a warrant would be issued for your arrest, and you would be subject to bond again. I believe that this takes care of everything that we need to do here this evening. So, sir, if you'll just go ahead into holding, they'll bring you in the corrected order.